Now, once again, the Federal High Court in Abuja has given the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, a fresh deadline, this time till November 7, to open his defense in the terrorism charges brought against him by the federal government or risk waiving his right to do so. At Wednesday's proceedings, Kanu stood firm, insisting there were no valid charges against him under the law and that he would not defend himself based on what he described as a repealed legislation. Now, on this matter, my colleague, News Central's Joshua Imarayi, joins us live for more update. Joshua, what exactly played out at the court today regarding Nnamdi Kanu's case?
Well, good afternoon to you, Blessings. Yet again, and for the fifth time, Justice Motosho has given the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, a chance to defend himself or consider the right to his defense waived. And Kanu, of course, in court today, in the dock, was still insisting that the laws and the charges against him are invalid, that the laws that those charges are filed under has been repealed, and he's asking the courts either they amend the charges or perhaps he would not defend himself in this trial.
So did the judge or the prosecution say anything significant about this new deadline?
Yes, of course. The senior advocate of Nigeria, that's the prosecutor in this matter, that senior advocate of Nigeria, told the court to stick to his earlier order that Nnamdi Kanu open his defense or consider it waived. Well, in the words, Justice James Omotosho said that he had to bend backwards so as to allow a fair hearing, and that on mechanisms are exhausted that before such a position could be taken. He, however, told Nnamdi Kanu that Nnamdi Kanu should consult appropriate criminal lawyers who have been defending people in this kind of cases, or perhaps he should consider his right to defense waived. Justice James Omotosho also gave a cautionary notice to some of the lawyers representing Nnamdi Kanu previously, who are now his advisors, or perhaps, let's say, consultants on this case. He told them that they've been going around spreading fake news on social media and granting interviews as to what did not happen in court, that they should caution themselves, or perhaps they might face disciplinary action. Blessings.
All right, Joshua Imarayi, thank you so much for the updates. We'll see how this turns out.